Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply check iPhone subscriptions. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. For that, all you gotta do is first of all access your particular settings of your phone. Right over here, this kind of interface is gonna appear, right? Now go ahead, tap on this Apple ID on top, and then you're going to find there's plenty of options on top, which includes one of the options called subscriptions. Go ahead, tap on it. Right over here you will be able to find all of the subscription that you have taken. If you simply want to remove any of them, you're going to simply tap on that particular subscription of yours, and in the bottom you will find this red box where you will find cancellation regarding it. You're going to tap on it, provide the verification, and then you will be able to remove it. You do have another renewal receipts. You can also turn this off, so it will simply turn off the receipt that will be sent to you. But it's better to just turn this on so you can receive them and you're good to go. Right, so and that is the way for you to find them and cancel if you would prefer. And that is it, guys. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.